I got a Sherpa roof rack for my vehicle a few months ago, and after riding around with it on the vehicle on highways and different roads, I just noticed some like buzzing noise. I think I figured it out and a solution for it, but you gotta come up here to look at it. Now there's the Sherpa roof rack. It's got T-slots, it's got side rails, it's got this nice wind fairing on here. You may have gotten the shorter one or the longer one depending on which style you wanted, but I noticed when we're driving along, you get this rattling noise. This plate right here on the front that mounts has 3 mounting spots that hold it down. But right here in the middle of it, it's got a little bit of play right there. And once I started tapping around, I noticed that right there was making that buzzing noise. When you get a bunch of wind going down the highway over all these bars, it's going to make them rattle just a little bit and move back and forth. And if you have any wide section like this that isn't mounted down, you're going to get some of that rattle. Also on my traction boards there, they've got plates on them, got 2 mounting bolts. You can check out the video installing those, but those will also rattle slightly because there's a little bit of a, it's actually, the other buzzing is traction board touching right under here. So let's fix this right here. I think it'll be a simple fix. This might be a adventure down this hill. I'm getting leaves in here. All right, then you just want to loosen up the wind fairing. And if you don't move your T-slot rail on the front, this should just go right back where it was. You don't have to worry about anything moving or anything like that. So it's gonna be really simple. Just grab yourself a little piece of inner tube. We're gonna just cut a little piece of this off. So I cut 2 pieces of rubber, and these are just going to slip into the rail like this. We're gonna stick them in there, and then we're just going to put our fairing back on top and put it down. And this is gonna eliminate any of that rattling that we have. All right, this should be pretty simple. Just remove our bolts from our wind fairing. And I'm gonna leave one end still attached. So hopefully this just peels up like that. And then we can just slip our rubber in here. And I'm just putting it in the rail right like this. And that's just going to sandwich in there. So in between these 2 bolts, right here, just stick our bolts back in. And as long as you don't bump anything too much, the T-slot nuts in there will stay where you had them before. Snug these down, and I gotta do that side. All right, just the last 2 bolts in the center and we're finished up here, but this sounds a lot quieter. It's not rattling. I'll get these in and test it out. Well, that solved that. So that's good. Nice and straight. It's still squished down with that rubber in there. No more rattling. The only thing making noise up here left is these traction boards. They're just resting on one of these T-slots here, and the mounts are solid. It's just this one here in the middle. They get moved around, so they won't be here forever. Maybe I can figure something out for that later. All right, no more rattles after driving around a little bit. That little bit of rubber underneath the wind fairing totally eliminated that. So good trick if you have some rattles on your Sherpa rack, or if you have a Prinsu rack similar to this with a wind fairing on the front that's got some rattle on it. Just stick in a little piece of rubber, you should be good to go. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.